Osogo another back to another two. Condition omini of this function. Iṣẹ́ ìdágbọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀nà máa ti fa àbọ̀dọ́ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀fọ́ àbọ̀dọ́ àìlẹ́gẹ̀dẹ́ yìí. Iṣẹ́ ìdágbọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀nà. Iṣẹ́ ọ̀gá ní man. Àìlẹ́gẹ̀dẹ́ yìí náà ti gẹ̀ náà lọ. Ìṣàjọ́ with you. God bless you. The general chairman. USA branch. Professor Okafor. Ẹ̀dá nàkìlì sí omi ike. Ẹ̀dá lọ́tí lọ́gbà. Ẹ̀dá nìkúrú. Àìkèrè ni ẹ́. Ọba ló ń bọ̀ wọ́n sí USA wọ́n bàtà lẹ́yìn bíà. The chairman of the NDA USA branch. We appreciate your presence here. I know December 2016, we are here to continue to jubilate on the occasion of the taking of our prestigious title of the #1 citizen of this community, His Royal Majesty, Igwe Professor Austin Aike Onyekediye, Adama Adadeloku. Thank you very much. Those are guys that are on our board. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Hey! Ivan Emanuele. Dalo. Come cai, dalo. Local government of Dalo. Accuracy of the Chief Executive of this community, known as the President General. We appreciate you. The Chief Executive of this community, we appreciate you. Thank you very much.